Today I'm decluttering my closet. I'm going to be going through absolutely everything I own and sorting out what it is that I want to keep and what it is that I want to donate. I didn't think it'd be this bad. God, this is hard. I'm literally delusional at this point. Hello. If you've been watching my last few videos, you'll know that I recently graduated because I won't shut up about it. I moved back home here in Barcelona while I look for jobs, which basically means that I had to pack all my things that I had in the UK where I was studying and bring them here, which has resulted in my closet being one huge mess. For the past 3 years, I haven't really cleaned out my closet, especially the things that stay here in Barcelona all the time. I also think my style has changed quite a bit over the past 3 years. We've made some progress, luckily. There's also plenty of stuff that is in really good condition and is just not getting use out of it. I want these clothes to find better owners that will make the most out of them. I'm gonna have to deal with it, and today is the day. So, let's begin. I feel like one of the hardest parts about decluttering and doing like closet cleanouts is knowing where to start. That's just always the most like daunting aspect of it to me. The way I'm gonna go about it is just divided by clothing item type. So I'm gonna start with my tops, then I'm gonna move to my bottoms, then dresses, and then probably like jumpers and jackets. Starting out with the tops, there's a lot. There's a lot there. I mean, this is like my summer and winter and anything in between pile. So I guess it's not that bad, but it is quite bad. So let's jump right into it. So far, I've put away all my winter clothes because I don't want to have anything to do with those right now. Like, just thinking of physically putting them on disgusts me because it is so warm. I did kind of look through them, and I mean, it's just like a handful of tops, so that's fine. I organized my clothes into 3 piles. One pile, things I know for sure I want to get rid of, which right now only has 4 tops in it. The other pile is the maybe pile, the ones where I'm unsure whether I want to donate or keep. And then we have the keep pile, which is obviously the biggest. There are 4 things so far that I know 100% that I want to donate. And then there's a considerable maybe pile. I'll show you now what the 4 tops that I definitely don't want to keep look like. And then I'll try to guide you through my thought process with the maybe ones. I'm not going to try this on right now. Too warm. She's leaving. She's already been a final contestant in many closet cleanouts. Today is the day she leaves. Now I've tried this on, and I'm not so sure I want to donate it because I do love stripes, but it is true that I never reach out for this t-shirt in particular. So I'm a bit conflicted. I might give it a go this week after having cleaned out most of my closet, see if I wear it, and otherwise donate it, but I don't know if that's the right way to go. This is starting to get a lot harder than I thought because apparently I have a lot of items that I think are cute, but then when I think about it objectively, I've barely worn them. I know that's like probably like 101 closet clean out. If you haven't worn it, just throw it out, but it is... It's harder. I think this one just like shrunk at some point, and the fit has just been off ever since. There's something off about the way it fits me now. So I have the same one in black, and this one's like similarly small and stuff, but it doesn't feel off the way the green one does. I think the green one is just I don't know. You're probably watching this thinking that it looks the exact same. But let me tell you, that's not true, okay? You're not gonna gaslight me like that. They're different.
No, they're not. They look the exact same.
This one feels slightly better, so I think I'm gonna hold on to this one for now. See, well, I don't usually gravitate towards this top when I'm picking my outfit in the morning. It is my go-to comfy top. I do love wearing this when I'm around the house, so I think she's staying with us. I think I'm giving this white tube top away. My teen years, she was there for them. I think it's just time to let go of her. See, with this bodysuit, yes, I am too lazy to zip it. This bodysuit, I really liked it when I first got it, but I think it's kind of like lost its charm on me. I don't know why. To be honest, I've been being quite cold-hearted about this. Like, most of my question mark pile is now in a donation bag, so I think it does remind me of teenage me. And this is a bit the issue with some of these items, that I still think they're cute, but it is hard for me then to sometimes feel comfortable with my wardrobe or excited by it, because a lot of these items just really remind me of teenage fetus Maria, and it's just not exactly who I want to be right now. I like the concept. I have a very similar one in yellow. I just don't think I like the way they look with most of my shorts and skirts. So I think I'm gonna donate both. Damn, that's a lot of clothes I'm saying bye to. But that's the thing, like, when I'm thinking about the clothes I'm saying goodbye to, I'm like, I haven't really worn those. So
For some reason, I didn't make any comments when trying on the next few items of clothing. So I'm going to be adding those over now. Here are some of the reasons why I chose to keep or donate these items.
this top, I just never really liked the way it looked on me. This shirt was just old. I never really wore this one. I tried, but it didn't happen. Old. Just old. Never wear. Never wear either. But found this one, which I do wear.
And keeping this one as well because it is just so comfy.
Okay, we're moving on to the pants. This is taking a lot longer than I thought. I'm already exhausted. Because the whole pants situation is also a bit overwhelming, I decided to start off with my shorts. I've decided to keep all of them except for two. I'm donating my denim overalls. I haven't worn them all summer. They don't suit me. I've had them for a long time, so they're going. I'm donating this pair of green shorties. I really like the length of these and the color is fun, but I've realized that they have stains. They're not in really good shape anymore. Jeans and trousers are proving to be a bit trickier than my shorts, but there's still a handful that I know I want to donate for sure. There's these corduroy pants. They were my mom's. I've never really even gotten to wear them. I think she handed them down to me when it was too warm in Barcelona for me to wear them. I don't think this teal color really goes with what I usually wear. So yeah, they're just gonna go. Whoops. Then we've got these kind of like joggers. I never wear them. And I bought these maybe when I was 14. I wore them for like 2 years, 3 years, but over the past 3 years, I haven't worn them. To be honest, most of the clothes I've had for a really long time. They're still in pretty good condition, so they still can be enjoyed by someone else. I think now with this declutter, I'm just trying to think like, most of these pieces I haven't really had with me, only when I came to Barcelona, and I have not missed them whatsoever, so why keep them? So, bye. These other kind of similar jogger vibes, they've had their run. They were my mom's, you know, been there, done that, so bye-bye. There's this pair of white jeans, my dear white balloon jeans. They're, yeah, you can tell they're old. They've got stains and they're just not looking sexy anymore. So farewell to them. The question mark pile here gets a bit trickier. I don't really know what criteria. Did I just step on? Yeah, just stepped on a pant. I don't really know how to know what to get rid of. First off, there's these kind of trousers. There's nothing wrong with them, but I've had them for so long and I don't think it's an item that I really gravitate towards, but at the same time, I'm not sure. God, this is hard. These pants, I never really wear them. Like, the idea is cute, but then I just never wear them. My sister might actually want these, so I can offer these to her. I thrifted these for £2 and I've loved them so much. I think I'm gonna keep these. I think I'm gonna keep this and I'll figure it out in the winter time whether I wanna donate them or not. I just folded that terribly, but I don't care anymore. These also cute, okay? Just these tartan. I think I might keep this. I would have to try them on. Right now I'm really lazy, so I think I might keep this as well. I'm starting to make up my mind. I think I'm gonna donate these. Now, these pants I've had for the past 3 years. I got them in my first year of university and I adored them. They were my everything. But now they've ripped in a few places. My mom has been kind enough to sew them. Right above the zipper, there's these 2 buttons and they just don't really, yeah, it kind of opens up now. I think it's their time to go. I genuinely don't care at this point. We've made some more progress. I'm keeping these kind of suit pants because I'm currently looking for jobs and will hopefully start working soon. These could come in handy. I think right now is not the best moment to get rid of these, and I can build a more like professional and newer wardrobe later on. I also don't think, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be working somewhere where I'm gonna need to be wearing certain type of clothing. So yeah, just to be safe, we're keeping them. Well, is this good for work as well? I'll ask my mom. I also have these black overalls. So I have denim overalls and those I love and I know I'm keeping 100%. I don't know about these. I think I'm gonna keep them. Finally moving on to skirts. Luckily, I'm not a skirt girl, so there's not much here. This is gonna be a lot faster. Thank God. Definitely giving her away. I have had this for years now, so I keep keeping the skirt in case I wear it in like Christmas time or stuff like that, but I just don't think it makes sense to keep her. I loved this skirt so much. It's a long like knitted skirt, but it's just, you can tell it's old. She looks worn. She doesn't look sexy. I'm definitely donating this dress. Honestly, it's one of those purchases where it was just a dumb purchase. I saw it online. I thought I'd look super sexy and cute and delicious. I did kind of, but it's not a vibe. It was just like an impulse buy back in like first year of uni, and it wasn't smart. Then I have this romper, which I just never wear. And again, it's not ugly, but it's not, yeah, no. Okay, that was quite fast. Moving on to jumpers, and I think that's all I'm gonna be doing today. I might do jackets and purses and stuff like that tomorrow. I didn't think it'd be this bad. Final push, you guys. I'm gonna walk you through the last items that I'm donating, which are quite a lot. This jumper, ooh, it's kind of like huge. I think it's really cool. Then we have this summer jumper, but I've just had it for so long and it feels old. donating this basic black jumper. We'll be buying a new one. This one's just really old as well. This one I'll also probably replace. It's just a black cardigan, but again, it is really old. This one's also looking quite old. These two cropped sweatshirts that I cropped really short. This one's not as short. There's just like no way I'm wearing this nowadays. It's a really cool sweatshirt. It's Guess, it's vintage. I mean, it was my sister's. It's not something I feel comfortable wearing anymore, so bye-bye. Same issue with this one here. This jumper is just very old. This one is so old. Like, it's disintegrating. I don't know how it survived this long in my closet. Like, this is one of those pieces that like I genuinely forgot was like, can you see that? It's like disappearing. Anyways, it was always a thin jumper. But then we have this cardigan, which was my mom's. She also like handed it down to me. Never even got to wear it because, again, like I said with the corduroy pants, she gave them to me when it was already too warm. But I just know I'm not gonna wear this, so I'm not gonna entertain the thought. This Motel Rocks cardigan situation thingy with the fur, it was fun, had her moment, but I haven't really worn her much. I just think it's better if she finds a more loving owner. I thrifted this, and I actually thrifted a very similar one in red, but the red one is short sleeve, and I've worn the red one quite a lot. I really like that little jumper, but this one I just never wear. I'm also not a huge fan of purple, so yeah, I just think it's better if someone else can enjoy it. This one's just really old. I have worn this hoodie so much. It's so comfortable. I love it, but because I've worn it so much, it is a bit disgusting. I do have a new hoodie that I bought in navy blue, so I think that's just gonna be the substitute for this one. Or I'll probably just buy a new black hoodie. We've been through a lot though over the past few years. She's definitely been through a lot because she looks disgusting. I'm literally delusional at this point. I think it's been 2 hours, something like that. Exhausting. The next morning, I gathered all the strength left in me and tackled my pajamas / sports / loungewear clothes. I also went through all my bags and purses and reorganized the drawer where I keep them.